Hi. In this video, we will understand the steps involved in adding a new vehicle configuration with wheel alignment specs. Let's consider an example of a 5-axle truck that we would like to add the configuration and specs for. Always refer manufacturer's service circular for wheel alignment specification. In this example, let us consider an Ashok Leyland 4225 10x2 multi-axle vehicle with 5 axles. The wheel alignment specifications for this vehicle are: total toe 3.00 to 3.60 mm for front axle 1. Total toe 3.60 to 4.00 mm for front axle 2. Total toe 3.60 to 4.00 mm for lift axle. Out of square value for rear axle 1 and rear 2 is minus 3.00 to plus 3.00 mm. Now, let's start adding this axle configuration and specs for this vehicle. From the home screen, click on Definitions. Click New and select the steering is right and click on Next. In this window, we will be able to create the axle configuration. The type of and number of axles can be selected from this window on the left. As you can see here, we have selected one steer, a twin steer, a lift axle and 2 rigid axles. As per vehicle specification sheet, let's now add the specs for axle 1 to 5. Click on axle number 1. Enter the total toe minimum value as 3.00 mm per meter and maximum value as 3.6 mm per meter. Click on axle number 2. Enter the total toe minimum value as 3.60 mm per meter and maximum value as 4.00 mm per meter. Click on axle number 3, lift axle, and enter the total toe minimum value as 3.60 mm per meter and maximum value as 4.00 mm per meter. Click on axle number 4 and enter the out of square minimum value as minus 3.00 mm per meter and maximum value as plus 3.00 mm per meter. Click on axle number 5 and enter the out of square minimum value as minus 3.00 mm per meter and maximum value as plus 3.00 mm per meter. Now, we have configured the axles and added the vehicle specifications. Let us now save this spec. Type the name of the vehicle in configuration name as Ashok Leyland 4225 10x2 and click on Save. This completes adding a new vehicle database. Let us now check if the specs for this vehicle are available in database. In the home screen, click on New Order, click Wheel Alignment, scroll down and locate the newly created vehicle. As you can see here, the spec that we have added is available here. This is now ready to use. Click on Next to continue with wheel alignment.